Alright guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to install some window kerf weather stripping. If you don't know what that is, that's pretty much this sort of type of window strip. It'll run along your window, maybe you're molding within the window. It's very common for a lot of this stuff to pretty much kind of rot inside from the sun, the heat, the weather. Um, it's very common. So every once in a while you got to replace it. Here's how it should look. This would be your regular kerf bubble window stripping, and here we have how it looks once it's been weathered, aged, and pretty much rotted. It's completely sticky. You get it on your fingers, your whole fingers will be sticky. You're gonna have to clean them up with some goof off or acetone or something. So all these windows that have this sort of window stripping, they all have a little notch in all their frames and all their windows. Some have it only on the window, some have it only on the frame, some have it on both sides, on both, I guess, surfaces. This one has it on both, so on the frame and the window. So right now I'm going to be putting it on the frame and then the window to show you guys how it goes in. It's pretty simple. Again, they all have a little notch. You're just going to go ahead and press it in as hard as you can. If you have paint it might be a little bit thicker since you probably added about a millimeter or two to the notch. So just make sure that you can actually get it in. If not, you can always get a razor blade and clean it out a bit, or maybe get a spatula and just give it a pass so that it will be able to fit in. Um, you know, force it in as much as you can. If you keep this up, I mean, if you keep it in, and leave it like that, it'll be good for about maybe another 10 years. This is something that should be replaced I don't know, every couple of years. One way to tell whether your window stripping is actually still in good shape is just get the corner and pull it out. And if it pulls out by itself, with just a little bit of pressure, it's good. If you see that it starts dripping, there might be a possibility that you got to replace it. But always try to test that window where it's on the sunniest side of your home, where it gets the most heat. So here I'm just showing you guys a little quick tip how to cut it. You can always do a 45-degree cut or just a straight cut like that. It all depends how you want it, what type of finish you want as well. Again, I'm just showing you the little notch right here, how it is. Again, you might have to put some pressure depending on how thick that notch is, or if you've got paint inside that notch. Um, that one has it there as well. So, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the end result finish in about a second or two, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do all these windows, and then I'll show you. So, this is how it looks. It's pretty simple, nothing complicated. Um, these are kind of hard to find. You could get it either at a window store or maybe Amazon. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Quick little tip. Catch you guys later.